Nice pen you've got there.
Thanks.
Looks a lot like my pen that I just lost.
Are you sure you didn't drop it or anything? This is mine.
You know what? I think I might should get a better look at that.
Did you? Give me my pen.
Stop it.
Your pen's right here.